All right, hey students. Here we are on this beautiful Thursday afternoon. I'm trying to catch up on some videos. I've fallen behind, and it's not like me. All right, so here's the follow-up video to these activities right here. There's actually three videos here. Um, Two of them are just kind of for your information. They're just really good things to know. And if you watch this video called the area of a triangle on a grid, and if you watch the other one, the area of a quadrilateral on a grid, hopefully that stuff made sense to you. Area is not complicated as long as you can just kind of change the way you look at a shape, especially when it's on a grid. It's just a matter of being able to see it differently. It's a matter of taking a quadrilateral that you don't recognize and turning it into several smaller shapes that you do recognize and you can use the formulas for. So these two videos right here were just informational. There's no activities that go with these two videos, but I hope you took the time to watch them and learn what he was trying to show you in those two videos. This one right here, the area of a trapezoid, and the activity, the exercise that goes with it, are what I want to talk about. So in the video, it's complicated, okay? But basically what he's doing in the video is he's just showing you he's showing you his thinking, the way he is visualizing the area of a trapezoid. Now, a trapezoid is a different kind of shape. The thing you need to know about trapezoids is that one base is going to be parallel to the other base. Parallel means that the two bases are not going to intersect; they're not going to cross. Okay, I'll show you one in just a second, but that's important to know because that is actually what makes the formula work. So he's just showing you three different ways in that video to write the formula. And as you saw, he got 12 for all three formulas that he wrote based on that exercise. So I'm going to take you now to a sample problem that you're going to see in the exercise. And it's real simple. All you have to do is just find the area of a trapezoid. Okay, all the information is there for you. It's very straightforward. Here is the formula. Okay, basically all this is saying is to find the area of a trapezoid, you take the base one, which is basically the bottom number one. You add it to bottom number two, or the two bases. You divide that by two, and then whatever you get from that, multiply it times the height of the trapezoid. Okay, I'll show you real simple right here. I'm going to start with the formula. Okay, whoops. Area equals base 1 plus base 2. Okay, divided by 2 times height. All right, I know that's sloppy, but that's all I can do on this screen. I don't have any other way of doing it. Okay, listen. Here are the two bases. Okay, when you look at this trapezoid right here, you have to understand this is going to be the first base, but when you flip the trapezoid over and you turn it 180 degrees, this can also be the base. Those are your two bases. Those are the two numbers that you want to add. So there it is, 7 plus 8. So if I go ahead and I just replace my base 1 and my base 2 in this equation, I get 15, don't I? Okay, 7 plus 8 is going to be 15. And when we divide that by 2, we're going to get a number. So let me rewrite the whole formula. Area equals 15. Sorry about that. Area equals 15 divided by 2 times the height. Okay? In this case, it doesn't really matter if you multiply the height first or if you divide by 2 first. You're going to get the same thing. As you can see, the height of this trapezoid is what? It's 4. Okay, let me just go ahead and substitute that in the equation here. So basically, that's your problem right now. It's 15 divided by 2 times 4. Okay, or if you'd like to do it differently, as he was showing you in the video, you could do 15 times 4 divided by 2. Either way, okay? Well, 15 divided by 2 is going to give me 7.5. And 7.5 times 4 is actually going to give me 30. If I wanted to do it the other way, I could go ahead and do 15 times 4. That's going to get me 60. And half of 60, or 60 divided by 2, is also going to give me 30. So the answer to this problem right here is simply going to be 30 square meters. Okay? So again, when you're doing all these problems, start with a formula. Find your two bases, base 1 plus base 2. Find your height and just run through the formula. That's it. You will need scratch paper. Some of you might even need to use a calculator. That's okay. But practice running through this formula. Okay? Thank you. See you next video.